In this video, we're going to explore methods for hierarchical clustering and K-means clustering to automatically group rows that have similar characteristics. I'm using the serial example dataset available in the sample data directory. To start our clustering analysis, we'll use analyze, multivariate methods, cluster. For this clustering, I'm going to select several of my outcome variables. I'm going to cast them into the Y columns and leave as my option hierarchical. When I click OK, JMP will produce the hierarchical clustering using these variables I've selected. JMP will generate a dendrogram, a scree plot showing the distance bridged at each step, and the clustering history, hidden here under the gray triangle. For additional options, we can select the red triangle next to hierarchical clustering if we would like to color clusters, mark clusters, or specify the number of clusters we're interested in. We can change dynamically the number of clusters by selecting one of the black diamonds, dragging to the right for fewer clusters, or dragging to the left for more clusters. We can select this black diamond under the dendrogram or above the scree plot. For K-means clustering, we'll again use analyze, multivariate methods, cluster, select one or more continuous variables as our Y columns, and under options, instead of hierarchical, select K-means. When I click OK, JMP will produce the control panel asking for the number of clusters. Let's specify here 3 clusters and leave the other variables as default. When I click Go, JMP will produce the K-means for 3 clusters. A summary of the cluster sizes is printed out, and a table of cluster means and standard deviations are given for each variable. To obtain biplots, parallel plots, or request other options, select the red triangle next to the K-means heading and select the options of choice. I'm going to turn on the biplot here to get a graphical output of my clustering. To perform an analysis for a range of cluster sizes, return to the control panel and enter a lower and upper limit for the number of clusters. Here, I'll leave 3 as the lower limit under number of clusters and put 5 as the upper limit for optional range of clusters. When I click Go, JMP will return the K-means for different cluster sizes in the output.